Okay, YouTube's live. If you guys want a little bit better experience, be sure to check out the YouTube as well, guys. Okay, go on the YouTube. Check out the YouTube if you'd like. I'm just trying different platforms. We'll see what the turnout is. I'm trying to see which one is going to produce us a little bit better of a result here. Okay, TikTok, follow along. We're going to be covering some charts. All right, let me wave to some people on here. Hello, hello. Flames everywhere, baby. There's a lot of people in this one. Cool. 16, that's fine. All right, so let me flip my screen here for people on Instagram. TikTokers, follow along if you can. All right, so we are going to be covering your favorite stock, baby. What stock do you guys want to look at? Let me know. I will be covering anything for you. We also have, again, the live stream chat pulled up as well. Estoni, Sebastian, Vladimir, Estoni, Mozilla, Amy, what's good? They can listen in their cars. Perfect, perfect. So TikTok, here's how we kind of do it. We have the charts pulled up on one side, and we also have the private chat from our Discord community on another side. Instagram, a lot of you guys are already familiar with this setup here. Again, right, private chat over here. And then we also have the private live stream right here in front of you. Again, looking to cover any of your guys' stocks, stanks, whatever. Let me know what you guys got, and we'll get it rolling, baby. All right. So, SPY was bipolar today. Sure, we can take a look at SPY first here. TikTok, we're taking a look at SPY. SPY. Let's get this pulled up here. All right. Make sure these guys can see. Give you guys a little ghetto view here. All right, TikTok, can you see that shit? There's your SPY view right there. Okay. So here's SPY. Yeah, you know, SPY was a little bit, it was a little swingy today. So if I clear this up. All right, SPY was a little bit swingy today. So we came down. We never broke the pre-market low, or essentially the low of day, and we kind of spring-loaded off that the rest of today. Periodically, we were forming higher lows, so we kept holding up most of the day here, right, sustaining higher lows throughout. Something that was kind of odd intraday here, right, we had a little bit of some volume come in intraday, and then we had this tremendous sell-off to follow thereafter. I believe some of that had to do with Jay Powell. I think he made some comments around this time, but ultimately his speech was this morning, so I'm not too sure exactly what that is, but obviously it's catalyst driven. It's too hard of a pullback there. Maybe this is when Queen Elizabeth passed away. I'm not too sure. Rest in peace. But, you know, either way, it was a fairly swingy day. There was some opportunities, I would say, in the first half of the day. The second half of the day was just a lot of chop, so it's pretty hard to trade it, okay? Very difficult. But for the most part, right, SPY was just kind of chilling, right? Kind of chilling, kind of dragging. I like to start on the higher time frame, though. This is where we kind of get a bigger picture of things. So if we look at SPY here, we're sustaining higher lows, right? We're still holding up higher lows ultimately, okay? SPY is still in a bear market. We got to remember that. SPY is in a bear market. So whatever we see in the near term, it's just optimism for the most part. But you can see we are starting to curl here off this bounce. The volume is looking relatively strong as well. So, you know, it's pretty good, right? The volume down here, it looks great. We did finish again with buyers in control net overall for the day, floating around that $400 level. So 400 is typically a very psychological level. Price struggles there for the most part, okay? So just keep that in mind. All right, so that's SPY. That's the S&P 500 in a nutshell. Taking a look at our community here. You got any SPY calls swinging into tomorrow? And actually, let me get you guys pulled up. It's not. Okay, that's okay. So, got a SPY call swinging into tomorrow. Been bearish, but like my boy KP said, everything is fractal. Right, so everything is fractal. And again, when in doubt, zoom out. If you're not sure of the overall market direction, zoom out on SPY. One thing I found that was kind of interesting today is SPY is trading, you know, kind of in this pattern here, right? A little bit of like a expanding wedge, I believe it is what it's called. So it's a little bit interesting of a pattern here, TikTokers, if you're following along, right? A little bit of an expanding wedge here. So it's a little goofy. I had the goofy especially. So, we don't know where this thing's going. We don't know where this thing's going. But I do like, the short-term outlook. I do like the volume that's coming in. Regardless, right? We're traders. We're scalpers. We like to make quick money. Volume is our fuel, right? That's the fuel. That's the 93 octane in my Lambo. I need the fucking 93. If I want to see movements in the markets, I got to have the fuel. Otherwise, it makes it a hell of a lot harder to trade. So regardless of the direction the market's heading, as long as it's a clear direction, whether it's up or down instead of sideways, and if I have, that 93 octane or fuel or volume, okay? We want all three of that in combination. So things are not, they're looking okay as a trader, right? As a trader, they're looking not too bad. Long term, things are still kind of indecisive here. All right. Some stocks we looked at today included Amazon, Tesla, Nvidia, okay, Meta, and Apple. Okay. Apple's kind of one of my top picks for tomorrow. There's one thing I want to show you guys here. Okay. This is a sleeper for me tomorrow. TikTok, Apple. I'm enjoying it. All right. The thing I like about Apple is there's a little bit of a bear flag or potentially a rising wedge here. Okay. These are money patterns. Okay. Now they're a little bit easier to play intraday instead of us leading into the after hours like this, but there's still good opportunity to play this. Again, falling down, form that pattern. And then I would expect going into tomorrow, right, or pre-market, Apple's going to open down. Could be nice opportunities there. Could see follow through tomorrow, assuming we have a bearish market. Okay. Pixie ran 176%. Yeah. So I'll take a look at Pixie here real quick. So Pixie was a nice call out today. So guys, I did call this out on the TikTok. All right. I did talk about Pixie. And again, kind of ended the day with this nice cup and handle pattern, right? There's your cup. Your handle's looking pretty bullish as well. A little bit of a bull pennant here to finish the day. So Pixie's got a lot of steam. I sent out the TikTok this morning, okay, in this area right here. No excuse why we shouldn't have gotten in on this play here. Easy money. All right. Tesla. What about Tesla? Can you elaborate a little bit more? What do you mean? What about it? I played it, There you go. Before, what's good? Goons. All right. So those are most of the plays from today. Those are some stocks I was looking at. Again, these live streams are more for you guys. I want you guys to tell me, right, what are you looking at? This is to cover you. I'm good, okay? The private Discord community is good. TikTok's good. Everybody's good. I just want to know what you guys want covered. This is free of charge. We usually charge for this. We usually do it in detail only for the members that are paying. Take advantage of it now, guys. I don't even care if you're new, right? And if you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. It doesn't matter. This is an opportunity to say, hey, man, I don't know shit about stock trading, but, I dabble with trading, Amazon once in a while. What do you think it's heading tomorrow? And I can give you my interpretation. If you're interested in learning more, again, you just got to check that link in our bio. We do offer trials as well for our service, okay? So if you don't like it, leave, whatever. But you'll likely make your money back within that short amount of time anyways, okay? Our team just slaps, okay? We have phenomenal analysts. We do very well. And this is just what I enjoy doing personally. So I'm more than happy to help you guys 24/7 support. Your boy don't sleep. Sleeps for the week. I don't get tired. Let's take a look here. SPY. Nasdaq 100 had a nice pump. Yeah, we can take Nasdaq 100. We can take a look at that. So this is the E-minis. So this is the Nasdaq 100 essentially. And if you take a look here, yeah, the Nasdaq's kind of looking the same as SPY, but yeah, it did have a nice pump today to close the day. So similar to the S&P 500, the Nasdaq is holding higher lows pretty well here over the last few months, okay? So still holding up a nice floor, right? You can see it is starting to bounce here now. I would like this, this bullish volume down here to be a little bit stronger. But other than that, you can see it's already gapping up right now, matter of fact. So it's closing at about 12,420. Not looking too bad. 420 blaze it. So we did already gap up here, okay, in some of the after hours. So Nasdaq is showing stronger signs of a bounce here, okay. A little premature to see how tomorrow is going to be, but again, as long as we're curling against that support here, it's just further validating it. And I do like that. I do like the way things are looking for the Nasdaq. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the chat here. Nvidia gap for tomorrow if we keep running. Yeah, let's take a look at Nvidia here. Nvidia is a good play, especially if we're looking at the Nasdaq. Or another thing we can look at for the Nasdaq is QQQ. We really like to check out QQQ because it's an ETF that represents the Nasdaq, kind of like SPY. SPY represents the S&P 500. TikTok, how you doing, guys? Let me know if this is helpful for you. Okay, if it's not, then you better join the Discord, baby. Guys, so what we're doing is I'm diving you guys into kind of what we like to do on a regular basis. I live stream with our private Discord team. You're welcome to join along. We offer free trials. Again, for now, leave me a comment in this chat. Leave me a like. I'll get to your stock analysis. Gang. All right, guys. Had to cover the TikTok family. Nvidia, boom. Yeah, we like Nvidia, right? I haven't even charted this yet, and you can see I've already denoted the gap here. So the way gaps like to play, okay, so this is the daily on Nvidia. Just, this is the highest time frame we can look. Well, we can look higher, but this is a high time frame considered, right? So Nvidia is showing strong signs of a bounce here, right? Bulls were mostly in control today, and you can see how we are approaching this gap here. So what typically happens at these gaps is that the price will do two things. It'll either come up and find it as a resistance, so we'll come up and slap it and get rejected back down, or when you hit these gaps, it's a fairly liquid location. It's fairly liquid. So when you hit it, you'll go boom and you'll jump right past through it. Hence gaps, you'll gap through it. Could be a really nice, could be a really nice move. Nothing uncommon I haven't seen with Nvidia. Usually shoots to the moon when it hits gaps versus getting rejected by them. So that should be an easy play. Nvidia is definitely a top watch for tomorrow. Good call there. TTOO. Let's take a look at that. TTOO. Let me pull that up here. Ran good today. Strong volume. Where can we see this stock tomorrow? Okay, we'll take a look at that. Ran good today. So the volume was okay. I don't think the volume was actually really that strong, to be honest. I mean, it's pretty damn low if you look on here, at least on IG. It might be hard to see on YouTube here because I have the chat covered up. But if you look on IG, right, the volume is okay. I mean, it's staircasing for the bears, but I mean, there really wasn't strong volume today. I think the buyers were in control for today, but there's really nothing there. So I wouldn't get too faked out by this. I would just be very careful, right? There was some spikes of volume intraday, but net overall, the volume just wasn't that high, right? It's really not trading at anything special. So again, you just got to be careful, right? Take the emotions, take the feelings out of this game. Don't go off your gut and hope and shit. Be realistic. Tell yourself the volume is okay today. Doesn't mean anything's going to happen at all, okay? Just being realistic with you. This is a game of being realistic, right? Don't be too optimistic, right? Don't be too pessimistic. Just be realistic. And realistically, I have no idea where this is going. I would like to see more volume. Today, this just was like a quick little pump. I don't know if there's any more than that. It'd be hard to really gauge if there's momentum coming out of this, okay? Let's see here. We got a couple more goons in here. Do I follow any financial on Twitter? I do not follow anybody on Twitter for the most part. No, I usually find my own place. I trade a lot of the same stuff. I trade like large caps. I use my trade scanners, and I really keep it simple. I sort things kind of by volume, percent change. I'll keep my eye on catalysts. So I'll look at like CNBC, Bloomberg. I keep it really simple. You guys got to learn, I've done this a while, and the more you've done this game, the simpler you keep things, because a lot of people, they got all this bullshit on their chart looking like a fucking Picasso painting. You don't need all that bullshit, all right? All you need is the candles, maybe a few indicators, and volume. Keep it simple. That's really it, okay? So that's what I've learned over time. I like to find my own plays, okay? And I share that with my group. We also have some penny stock analysts who's phenomenal. Dude's making $250,000 a month minimum. All right, you got your boy here who loves options and penny stocks. We have our overnight options swing trader. Okay, so option swings. We have a whole variety. Crypto analysts. We got it all, baby. So again, be sure to check out that Discord. Gang. All right. No emotions. Be robotic. Yes, absolutely. That's all this game is about. Let me flip this around here. Oh man, I'm so hot right now. It's like 80 degrees in my fucking room right now. Whee. Sheesh. It's because I got like 8 monitors on, this fucking ring light, this fucking ring light right here. Boom, right? Bunch of shit. How we doing, gang? Do you guys trade mostly penny stocks? Yeah, we do. We do actually. We mostly trade penny stocks. Like we have a good split, I would say, but I'd say majority leaning towards penny stocks. Our penny stock analyst is sick. I don't even he's sick, man. And he shows you how he trades, and it's so straightforward. He's so straightforward. It's so easy. Yeah, guys, on YouTube, hopefully you're listening too. All right. PRTY. I'll take a look at that stock next. Thank you, Amy. But yeah, we mostly trade penny stocks, I would say, but we have a good split though. Like we don't veer away from options at all because honestly, I trade both. I used to trade penny stocks really heavy before the stock market started selling off earlier this year, and I got more into options. I just like both. I like both. It just depends. You know, one's really hot, one's really not. And the cool thing is they're kind of inverse. So if like the stock market's red for the day and it's like slower, penny stocks are usually on fire. Okay. Cool thing about penny stocks is they're very manipulated too, so you usually get like way more explosive moves. However, I like options because they seem a little more predictable, and they have, you don't need that big of a move to make a huge gain like at all on options, man. I mean, you can make 100% a day easily on options. Penny stocks, I guess you could argue that you could too. So it just depends on your cup of tea. Penny stocks is usually right, quick, high flying momentum. Options is usually like a little bit slower, maybe a little more of an intraday swing. You know, you're watching like the 5, 10 minute, 15 minute chart. Penny stocks, you're watching like the fucking 1 minute chart, maybe the 5 minute chart. So it just really depends. Okay. But we do trade everything. Yes, absolutely. So, all right, TikTok's dead as fuck. It makes no sense, man. How the fuck is TikTok so dead? Fuck this shit. All right, YouTube, how we doing? How we doing, Las Vegas? So I'm going to take a look at one more stock here for Amy. She is part of our private Discord group and is a moderator in that group as well. Welcome, Amy. Gucci Gang. Party is the stock I've pulled up. This is the Party City stock. Now, this is some good volume right here. So this is the daily chart. You can see all this volume coming in. So when you have this big influx of volume and it's kind of holding, right, net overall, it's a little bit higher here than the average the last couple weeks or months even. That usually means that something is, there's something congregating here. There's some good news or, some manipulation. Now, the thing that I like, too, is that there's a gap here as well, right? So Party City has a nice little gap to go here. That's a good sign. I like the stock. It's starting to cup as well, right? So if you dial in, let's go to like the 15, right? Party City has just been a multi-day runner, right? Holding higher lows nonstop, right? This thing is a beast. I think since about a week ago, a week and a half ago, it's up 46% since. So it's been a nice runner lately. All right. Welcome. TikTok, I love you, man. Hey guys, just doing a quick run through of our daily live stream. Giving you a little preview of that. I know it's hard to tell from the phone. However, we usually do this live in 4K. Check it out. If you have any questions, let me know, baby. Join up. Link in bio. All right. Had to give a quick little shout out plug. Cool. All right, gang. How we doing? All right. So I'm going to answer a few more questions here, and then we'll probably go till about 6:30 p.m. Central. If you have any questions, again, let me know. Free live stream. Again, we usually do this private. People usually pay for this. It's usually obviously a little more in detail and longer, and we got some music bumping and shit usually, but just keeping it easy tonight. We do have the NFL game on tonight too, so I want to make sure I leave you guys to it so you can check that out as well. Maybe get your gains in at the gym, whatever you got to do, man. Again, if you guys are interested in joining our private Discord community, that link is in the bio there, okay? We do offer free trials as well if you get an opportunity. And again, it's just a very fun community. There's diversity in terms of skill level, right? So we have complete noobs that don't even know how to start trading stocks. They don't even know how to add money to an account or where to even start. And then we have people that are experts that have been doing this for years, okay? We also have diversity in the type of stuff that we trade, right? Futures, crypto, options, penny stocks, it's all there. So anybody and everybody's welcome, and we highly encourage that you at least check it out. It's hard not to make your money back after a month, okay? So, Again, let me know if you're interested. If you are, the link is in our bio. Okay, it's in the description for the Instagram. All right, back to the charts. Let's see other questions you guys had here. Taking a look at Bitcoin here. Just want to look at that real quick. Since it's trading below 20,000, it's looking cheap. I do like Bitcoin, baby. Looking to jump in. Keep buying some more. Crude oil's looking cheap as well. Oil's about $83 a gallon right now, or a barrel, I should say. So I would expect the prices at the pumps to remain low and remain cheap. That is chilling, especially for my 93 octane goons. You guys should love that. All right, Ebots is in here. What's good, brother? How we doing, Ebots? Ebots. What's up, baby? All right, TikTok, how we doing, TikTok? Let's check the messages, man. Cool. Who am I talking to? Your mama. All right, TikTok is lame. Let's see who's in here. Instagram. Gang. All right. So if there's no more questions, guys, I think we're going to... Oh, Sergio's in here. All right. We'll get it for a few more minutes. All right. Sergio, welcome, brother. Instagram, welcome. Let's pull up SPY real quick. Let's use the favorite one here. Again, top plays I'm watching for tomorrow, right? Watching Nvidia for the gap fill. Okay. Should be an easy play for tomorrow. SPY, again, assuming we hold support. The Nasdaq is also holding support as well, and or Qs. David, hello, David. What's up? Meta's interesting. I've just been keeping my eyes on it because I think it's sitting in this big descending triangle here on the daily. So that should be easy money play to the downside if we do start seeing a market sell off. Keep your eyes on Meta. Easy play. All right. Hello. Again, guys, ask your questions, baby. I'm here for you. I love you. I got you covered, man. This is easy, guys. I know you guys trade stocks, and if you don't, ask a question, man. Ask a question. There's no such thing as a dumb question, right? You don't know what you don't know. All right. Lyft is getting a little extended here. I like the play right here. I like Lyft for a short opportunity tomorrow. We'll throw that up on the chart. Not looking too bad. Again, a little bit chopped today in the markets. We saw some intraday selling off. I don't know if the result of that was from Jay Powell speaking or it was from Queen Elizabeth announcing her passing. I guess she didn't announce it, but either way, the news coming out, right? Rest in peace. You need a stock picks logo sent to you? That's awesome. Yeah, we'll get you one, brother. We'll get you a logo, man. We're working on decals right now. So we have decals. We got the merch. So we got some hoodies coming out because it's getting real cold out. I don't know about in Cali. This shit don't get cold, but it's getting cold in normal places. So we got some hoodies coming out, and then we have I think some keychains as well too. So Cali, I need to head out to Cali again soon. I love it out there. It's beautiful. It's really nice. It's always sunny. All right. With that, I think we're going to wrap up the stream here, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed your time, okay? We plan on doing this a little bit more, so if you did find it useful, let me know. If any feedback is welcomed as well. I handle criticism, so let us know. Any way we can improve your experience here, let us know. If you guys are interested in joining our private Discord, check that link in our bio, guys. Doesn't hurt to check it out, right? You have nothing to lose to do that. And with that, guys, I'll leave you guys to it. Enjoy the NFL football game tonight if you're about it. If not, let's get after the stock market tomorrow, baby. Let's go, gang. Have a great night. I'll talk to you soon. YouTube, what's good? I'm here. All right, guys. I don't know if you guys caught on, but I do plan on ending the stream. Again, enjoy the rest of your night, guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the Discord, all right?